Hey everybody, let's see what my December BoxyCharm brought me. Now in every BoxyCharm box there is a card, and this month is Whimsy. Okay, and on the back of every card they give you the list of the products and how much they retail for. So let's go. This is the $25 box. Okay, first thing I pull out is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Robin Hood palette. This retails for $35. It says, inspired by the classic tale, the Storybook mini palette was created exclusively for BoxyCharm and is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. We've combined stunning metallics and velvety matte eyeshadows to help you create your happily ever after look. Boom. Once again, retail $35. I really like this. I think it's very, very cute. The colors, we'll see what we can do with those. All right, next I am pulling out the Brow Bar Brow Makeup Kit. Style your brows like a pro with the Ultimate Brow Kit, designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush. This retails for $30. I love it. I think it's cute. Can't wait to try it. Next, you'll see the Seraphim Botanicals Daikon Plus Dreams Lip Exfoliator with Radish Extract. A gentle lip scrub infused with radish and chamomile extracts, as well as chia seed oil to keep lips smooth, cleansed, and conditioned. The unique blend of soft golden sugar and a healthy base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and coconut butters, further help protect lips from any future chapping or flaking. This retails for $24. All right, this is the Satay Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. Add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marble Light Illuminating Blush. Formulated without talc, this lightweight, buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. This retails for $26. Next, this is the one that I got to choose. When you have the $25 subscription, you get to choose from 2 products. This is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. This retails for $39. All right, guys, you see everything that I've got in my box this month for December. From 1 to 10, I will give this a 8. I like this box. I get to use things that I've never used before, and I'm excited. I can't wait to use that Saturday Skin. So I give it an 8. All right, everybody, this is what I got in my box for December. If you're interested, the link will be below, or you could just go to BoxyCharm and sign up. Thanks, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe.